Did you know that Instagram allows you to adjust the amount of sensitive content displayed to you? This option can be useful if you want your feed to be less cluttered with inappropriate posts. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily choose how much sensitive content you want to see on Instagram and how to set it up in just a few steps. So here's how. First, find your app on your Android or iPhone device and open it, then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Next, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, the next thing you need to do is tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Once you're on the settings page, the next step is to scroll down and find an option called Suggested Content. When you find it, tap to open it. Once you open this option, you'll see a few choices. Find the Sensitive Content option and tap on it. And when you get to this part, like I did, you can choose one of three options: less, standard, or more. If you want to see less sensitive content, choose less. If you don't mind the standard level of content, select standard. If you want to see more sensitive content, choose more. After selecting one of the options, don't forget to confirm it by clicking the confirm button. This way, your settings will be saved, and Instagram will immediately apply your choice. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my new video.